Alright, in this video we're going to go over a couple other of the benefits of blockchain technology. We're first going to go over provenance, then security and immutability, and finality. And then I'm going to just touch on blockchain 1.0 and 2.0s. Alright, so provenance. Blockchain allows you to track transactions. You're able to track things in real time. This allows for things like real-time auditing. You do not need any other party to conduct audits, and the audits happen in real time with blockchain. This will help to keep governments and huge corporations in line and will allow people to see where taxes and other spending is going and follow it easily. Blockchain allows for many things to become more efficient. With blockchain, you can put together an accounting layer with the transaction layer, so audits would be pointless because they are already happening in real time. This is a use case for blockchain outside of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain will allow for real-time tracking of ingredients in food, where they came from, and such. You'll be able to make sure that ingredients that are manufactured that are in products, they're really there. So if somebody's claiming that they have certain ingredients in products, you'll be able to make sure they're really in there. Currently, the industry is not very transparent. Having a blockchain ledger that is public that shows exactly what is in the product and where they came from is great. And one project you could look up is Oregon Trail that is currently doing this. And provenance is all about tracking, and it is a feature that blockchain allows. This can help eliminate things like child labor because you would know if your products were made with child or slave labor, which is great. IBM is currently working very heavily in this area. So now we're going to go on to security and immutability. So currently you have to trust so many third parties with things. Just like with Facebook or any other site you use, you trust them to have all your personal information. A system like Bitcoin, you do not trust anyone. You trust in math and the protocol. You trust in things that cannot be bribed or hacked or swayed one way or another. Blockchain is a global database that spans the entire world. In Bitcoin, this database is used to store transactions, so no one can cheat the system. You could also use a blockchain infrastructure for many other things. Blockchain is allowing for tech silos to come together instead of break apart into more and more components, making everything more interoperable. With a global database, these tech silos will come down. You can have a global database that everyone can build on instead of having databases controlled by single entities that can change data in the database whenever they feel the need. The internet is a tech that has already started to destroy these tech silos for information, at least. The internet did not have the ability to do this for value, though. Bitcoin has done the same thing the internet did for information, but for value instead. What I want you to take away from this about security and immutability is that what makes the Bitcoin secure is because it's trustless. You do not have to put your trust in anyone. You put your trust in math. So now we're going to move on to finality. So all transactions are final on the blockchain. Once the money is sent, there is no way to make a chargeback. A current huge issue is that people do chargebacks and scam small businesses, and the businesses have nothing they can do about it. As a small business owner, I know how big of an issue this is. Many transactions every month have chargebacks, and it costs my business a lot of money. And the bank always will side with their customers, even when you can provide tracking and other information showing that they got the product. With Bitcoin, that problem would not be possible, which is amazing. So now I'm just going to touch on if you hear blockchain 1.0, blockchain 2.0. Bitcoin is a 1.0 blockchain and is only really for transactions and store of value. You can code a tiny bit with it with script in Bitcoin, but you can't make any advanced programs with the script language. So now let me go over a 2.0 blockchain. Ethereum is a 2.0 blockchain and it allows you to write advanced programs on top of it, coded in Solidity. You can write programs any way you can think of. And if you've heard of smart contracts is a name given to programs made on Ethereum. A collection of smart contracts can be called a dApp. When you put together multiple smart contracts and a website, that makes a dApp, which is a decentralized application. Smart contracts are completely unstoppable, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they are open 24/7, 365 days a week. I hope this short video that went over some of the benefits of blockchain technology gives you a little bit of an idea and an overview of why this technology is so important and how this technology might change the world. I really didn't go too much in detail on any of the areas, but I just wanted to give you an overview of it. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and stay tuned. I'll be doing more giveaways soon. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day, and please like the video, subscribe, and uh, um, just keep watching, because I'm going to be posting probably at least a video a day. I did skip a couple days, but I'm trying to do at least one video a day. Because, I mean, I think this technology can really change the world, and it has a lot of potential. And I know it's been around for a while, but still 80 to 90% of the world is still sleeping on this technology. I mean, they're really not getting involved. They might have heard what Bitcoin is, but have they really researched what Bitcoin is? Do they know how Bitcoin works? Do they know what mining is? Do they understand blockchain 1.0, blockchain 2.0? And I mean, really, the potential is just endless for all the different applications that you can build on top of blockchain. And it eliminates the middlemen in so many different applications. So, thank you. Have a great day.